This quick guide will help you use the Quickpass password reset portal for the first time on your phone. First, you want to open the Quickpass app on your phone. If you have biometrics set up, Quickpass will automatically use that as a security check before logging you in. If you don't, Quickpass will request your passphrase. Once you're in the app, you'll see a notification of the date that your password will expire and the number of days remaining till expiry. Now click on the Reset Password button at the bottom of the app. Type in your new password in the field provided, then click Change Password. Quickpass automatically checks that your new password meets any company-imposed security requirements. Once completed, you will see the Password Updated screen. You can also use Quickpass to regain account access if you've been locked out. You'll typically receive a notification to your phone when you're locked out of your account. You can click this notification to go into the Quickpass app or log in normally. At the top of your screen, you'll see a notification that your account is locked. At the bottom, you'll see an option to unlock your account. Tap Unlock Account, and your account will immediately be unlocked. At this point, you can log in normally. Or if you've forgotten your password, you can use the Reset Password option if you've forgotten it. That's it. And if you have any issues, you can always lodge a ticket with F12 support.